student for government school for Cross River State. She go school that day with gun. Relax, una no go even believe wetin happen. All in the name of say her school teacher tell am say, okay, oh, as you don dye this hair now, normally her hair black, she go dye am. Na so the teacher come tell am say, madam, abeg, you need to go and barb this your hair. If not, you no go dey allowed to dey enter this school again. Na so this girl just vex o. She go house, come back with gun, say she dey come kill the teacher. Say how dare the teacher tell her make she go barb her hair, whether the teacher know who she be. You understand? Na so I just say, okay, oh, my people need hear this one. So na the latest one. Abeg, put this girl picture, make they see who are they talk about. Our Royal Highness. Una see as I dey look am. This one now, so na they say like this, na head of Malians for Cross River chapter. Madam, I hello, I greet you. Before you go look for gun now, come find my location, come shoot me. If I give you, see this all these small rats now, they know their place, like they don't know. Hey, Tori Olo. See the gun, now the gun safe. I just they look since. I beg, look this gun very well. Why the gun can't look like say na what they call those people? Hunter. All those people where they go hunt animal. Why? The teacher na bushmeat. This one no be the normal gun wey me I know. Hey, children of nowadays, may we not die before our time. You no even fit correct them again. Try correct one pikin. Now see, it dey hard. Out of 100, I dey sure say na like 5% you fit just dey, and those ones safe remain small. One leg don dey outside, another leg still dey inside. This one when I dey see like this. She fit even put a sniper for her mama food any day where her mama shout for her head. She fit put this girl. I don't understand, for person of this age to get this kind of mind. Secondary school. When I even finish secondary school safe. Hey. I just imagine how many people don't die now sake of this girl. I just imagine the ones where we know, the ones where we no even know. Because this one, imagine you get mind, carry gun, enter school. Na private place, she no go carry am. Yes, don't pass, sha. I remember that year when I still in school. Hey, even phone. They no even allow me use phone. Not to talk of say, person you they no where they go. Even if your teacher offend you, maybe your teacher do like this one now, she feel bad because they tell her make she barb hair. Now within ourselves, we dey discuss am for corner. They no born you, they don't even born your papa. Say you go come outside. Hey, Mora don't hire you. 2021. Nothing wey we no go see. I beg all the boys, no try date this girl. Now, how many of you don't hear end time kids? End time children. Now the leader be this. If you try date this girl, break up with her. Omo, you go just the hear when. The thing will go pursue you. You go even wish say you remain single all the days of your life. How secondary school pikin go dye hair in the first place? How? Waiting even make him mind enter that level. Secondary school. Now this one, they bring us back to everything where they talk every time. Lack of family values, lack of home training, lack of, in fact, parental care, parental guide, lack of everything we get to do with parents. Now wait till they cause all this one. Because this one now, they should say for our house, they don't even feel correct them again. Gone are the days where 7 o'clock, all the children are in their house doing assignment or taking their baths. Now, 7 o'clock, go check them. They corners with different area boys, agberos. See, things have changed. People have changed. And it's not a joke. Because if this thing continue like this, I don't know whether some people go still wish to born. Because now people go dey fear say, if I born now, this world will come contaminate. Because not be the world, now you yourself as a parent. You understand? Now you yourself as a parent. Now parents no even dey get time for their children. Money. They chase money. Now so you go chase money, or money go come make you miss road. You no even feel sit down say okay, we'll make a check how this girl they do. How they e hard. E dey hard now to find parents where you go see say they balance with their head down. E dey very, very hard. This one, if her mama talk one, I dey sure say she go even reach like 100. Don't talk to me like that. Don't, come try her for my house. Koboko. I mean, if I remember Koboko, that thing, they use and design my body. In fact, it can't be like say I do tattoo. They design. You know, if you try some kind of things, it's not possible. So I beg parents, make una wake up, because I don't see say many of una still they sleep. You understand? Many of una still they sleep. Una need wake up. And for you, Madam Malian head, I mean, which title I even want to give you? Assuming you they use this your energy, you help us, join us to fight this Lekki toll gate matter. We for even say they use something good. This your stubborn head. Use them for the right thing. Get good heart, but use them. See, all the people where you think say all the calm people where when they see you, think say they not get stubborn parts. Everybody gets stubborn parts. Now how you the controller? So because no waste that your talent, you understand? We need people. So bring her inside the board. We need them. Make una shine una eye, oh. Now what bring this matter? Shine una eye. See, mark this face. Shine them. Una we know am. Parents, una we no say na your pikin. Make una shine una eye. I give una by this time next year. If una no do something about this girl, by this time next year, una go just see say she don't join criminals. Now so our politicians go come call her, make she go the. You understand? I'm not go complete that. You understand? So I bet now why I bring this matter, it is very, very important. With the minus criminals, we no want add. So this one, as I dey say like this, I dey use my inner Casco's eye. So I dey see the future. Now why I dey tell una now, tomorrow una go thank me. Drop your comment for the comment section. Anything where you think say they supposed to do to this girl now. How you think say we feel save am? How you think say she feel change? Drop and then as you they drop and share this video, if you reach her parents, you understand? Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just click on that thing, man. You understand? Support your girl. Stay tuned for our next story. 10-year-old boy for Edo State. They don't arrest him. And according to matter wey reach me, they say this boy in senior brother, now they teach him how to shoot gun. They go operations together. But they don't keep people. In fact, my mouth say, now it started close. 10-year-old. Abeg, now why I bring this matter? For now we no know. Say now, they know they use the old ones again. They like them young. So I don't bring her for on a screen. Join me, make we listen to the boy.
What will be your name? Talk, come out. Monday waiting. Amoruyi. How many robbery you don't follow them go?
4.
How many people na don kill? 2.
Yes.
For where? Name them.
One for Silo Road, one for Igbo Market.
You say your brother,
Yes.
2 police gun dey with him.
Yes.
Which station na collect the gun?
Oba Market.
Oba Market. If una rob finish, where una dey go sit down, where una dey gather share money?
Third for cartel.
Third for cartel.
Yes.
That your brother now, if we want see him, when we will take see him?
We will go there the morning, we'll fix him. We'll go there around 8 in the evening, we'll fix him.
See this small rat. Also, no, we've killed 2. With small boy like this. See as they talk with confidence, like say he don't dey inside this business for like 25 years ago. 10 years. Hey. I don't even know who to fear again for this world. Because before, if we want fear, now those people were big, huge, they carry 6 packs and all those things. Now see them. This one now you go see him for road, you go even dash her money. No knowing say this one, if he sell you, sell your family, sell your destiny, everything together. Where will they go for this country? Tori Olorun, where will they go? Because hey, now wow. Nowadays, the kind of things will just they happen. If you know they are alert, now so see, person like this, we just kill you for road, you no go know. You go take a license now one of those small children. Now many people just dey talk. Now for this matter, everybody don dey bring your own idea. Make they arrest am, make they do this one. Some say make they carry and go rehabilitation, rehabilitation. Because no be my language, oh, you understand? Now, my question for una, where they talk say make they rehabilitate this guy. Abeg, he's too young to go to prison, but he's not too young to shoot. No, I dey try understand. Because una wey dey talk say make they no arrest am, how una dey sure say if they no arrest this small boy, e no go do more damage than the one wey e already do? How una dey sure? Na the question. Because if una wan carry am go rehabilitation, no be the problem. As long as say una dey sure say this boy, because now we dey try provide security. No, we no dey try make matter worse. So if na prison this boy go, where e go reduce this thing, me I no know. Before una go talk say I don dey condemn person, because na for this age they start. Before you know, now they don turn to beast. You no go even fit control them. This one, imagine this age, you no even fit control am. Now when he reach 18, swagger along more. In fact, he go don start that one. He go even the enter Aso Rock. Expert. I don't know, but if una ask me, this one make they start from him brother. They need arrest him brother. I no understand. Abeg, una wey get siblings like younger ones, una dey think of una self at all? The one wey me I know, senior sisters and brothers wey dey do bad things, they no even dey allow the younger ones to know. They go just do their thing as long as say they provide food, provide, you understand? But this one, you even dey carry the boy enter the business. There is fire on the mountain. And as e be like this, I no even sure say these police people they go on here rehabilitation for this Nigeria where we dey. Abi another Nigeria dey. This one way as we dey like this now, this our country law no dey again. They don't shift all the laws. So I dey wonder how una dey expect when they carry this boy go rehabilitation. E dey pain o. It is very painful. When una dey see person like this. This boy now, if he get one bright future. Now why I always they come back to the same matter? If you no get money, no born o. No born. Una think I just dey tell this thing because I want talk. No born. Nobody send you message. Before you go just dey pour them outside. They no go get future, they no go get education. Now just to dey cause problem again to the society. Already Nigeria don't get problems. Una go born pikin now, come add the problem to the one way we dey try settle. I no just dey understand some women sometimes. I no just understand. And this one too, government too carry put inside. First of all, this boy, first of all, make una listen to me well. He suppose dey school. He suppose dey in mama house. For una wey go dey argue now, how come this boy dey outside? The senior brother too, lack of job. Now government wahala be that. Lack of job. Government, if you dey provide job for people, at least the level of insecurity, level of criminals, level of all those bad things, if you don't reduce by now, una think say Nigeria fit change? Una think say Nigeria with the things wey we dey see, una think say e fit change? Government even make the things worse, even they increase. In fact, see, they don't increase fuel. Salary now, they still dey below minimum wage. Cost of living still dey high. Many things. And una dey expect make the country dey okay. At least provide jobs for people. See, their children dey abroad o. Their children dey abroad. For una wey dey relax. Una see say we dey fight this matter, una think say we dey jobless. Their children dey abroad, they no dey bother. But all of una politicians, I just want to remind una one small thing. Just small reminder. Make una no forget say Karma know the address of una house. And he go come locate una very soon. Very soon. All these children that have gone astray, all the lives that have been lost, all the bloods that have been shed, they go soon come back to una head, they cry. There is no peace and no rest for the wicked. Una go soon jama. You understand? My people, now the matter be this. Una don't hear this small boy. Wait till una think say suppose happen now. Now rehabilitation abi na prison? Na question wey me I bring for una, because if I take my own decision without una, e go be somehow. So I wan know wetin una think. Make dey carry am go prison for this age, 10 years. Abi make dey carry am go rehabilitation. Some people say e fit change, some people say e no go change. And as for the brother, that one I no even need any question. That one na prison straight, because you no get right. Already on your own, you be criminal. You can't include another person underage. So na straight prison, straight ticket, no time. You understand? So I wan know wetin una think concerning this case. Drop am for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that thing, you understand? Support your girl na. And share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen. Stay tuned for our next story.